The Fernmeldeturm Nürnberg, the tallest structure in Bavaria, is a telecommunication tower in Nuremberg, southern Germany. Also called the Nürnberger Ei, egg of Nuremberg, because of its egg-shaped tower basket, a height of 185 meters. It is 292 meters high and was built between 1977 and 1980 according to blueprints by architect Erwin Heinle. The tower basket accommodates transmission mechanisms for frequency modulation, DAB, UMTS, pager, amateur radio and a microwave radio relay link and, closed since 1991, a rotating restaurant and a prospect platform. Responsible operator is the DFMG Deutsche Funkturm, German radio tower, GmbH, a subsidiary of Deutsche Telekom based in Münster. From the 22nd of January 2003 to the 4th of April 2003, the Nürnberg telecommunication tower also served for the spreading of the program of mega radio on medium wave frequency 945 kHz. For this, a wire antenna was strung along the tower shaft, from the top of the tower to the roof of an operating building near the tower. Since July 2009, a 360-degree panorama camera shows the view over Nuremberg from 194 meters. From 1927 to 1969, broadcasting programs in medium waves were emitted by the transmitter Nuremberg Kleinruf at the former Rundfunkstrasse, Broadcast Street, 24. This transmitter was laid to the radio emitting station of the Bayerischer Rundfunk, Bavarian Broadcasting Company, on 15 September 1969 on the Dilberg Mountain, Dilberg transmitter, where the broadcasting programs of the Bavarian Broadcasting Company are still emitted. Total height, 292.80 meters, 960, featuring, as of the 9th of April 2005, total weight, 23,000 t. Maximum diameter of the tower basket, 32.00 meters, 105, featuring height of the tower basket, 49.70 meters, 163 feet. Height of the restaurant floor, 189 meters, 620 feet. Stairs to the prospect platform, 1,170 stairs and staves to the top, 1,455 lift velocity, up to 30 persons. 7 meters per second, 23 feet, sec material lift velocity, up to 13 persons, 2 meters per second, 7 feet, sec construction time, the 12th of July 1977, laying of the foundation stone, to the 8th of August 1980, official opening, that is all. Subscribe and post comments for future videos.